Here, in this video we will create this slice head effect in Photoshop on the rock's head. With all required images already imported in Photoshop, let's get started. I'll put all the links of used images in description. First, let's make a selection of the head from this image, and for it I'll be using quick selection tool and will refine it with the lasso tool. Now press Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate it, resize and finalize its position if required. Then with pen tool, make this curve by one point here with a click and the other point with a click and drag to create a curve. Complete the selection with making other points to the first point. Now press Ctrl plus Enter or Command plus Return to make it a selection. Now press Ctrl or Command plus X to cut that selection and Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus V to paste and place it in the exact same position. Drag it down a bit to make some space for the next selection. Let's separate eyes and nose for another part with the same process. Now let's unhide the stone texture image and with the elliptical marquee tool selected, make a circular selection and press Ctrl or Command plus J to create a new layer from it. Hide the stone texture image layer. Let's place and resize and squeeze this stone texture circle above the paths just like we did it for our transparent effect on orange in the previous video. Now let's group these head parts and stone texture and rename them as mouth and eyes. Then tilt these parts as per your liking, but I suggest that the ends should touch the above one. Now open the mouth group and add a new layer above the stone texture layer and clip it. Activate the brush tool and with soft round brush, opacity around 15, create a shadow on the stone texture. Do the same with the eyes group. And lastly, create a new layer below all of them to create a shadow for the whole head. Couple of tips I would like to share is that select a front facing image as it suits more for this effect. While cutting the head image with Ctrl or Command plus X, make sure the image is not a smart object as it will not allow you to cut it. And that's it. I know you have enjoyed, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your edits with me by following my socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.